Hi everyone, this is Sarah, the Catholic Homemaker. Today I am going to show you how to make golden milk using raw milk and cream. And we're going to be preserving the enzymes in the milk with this video, just as I did in my healthy hot chocolate video. So first of all, welcome to everyone to my channel. And if you would please subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, share this video, and comment below if you like golden milk, the best way to make it or enjoy it, and hit the notification bell for all notifications so you know when I post, which is every Monday at 12 Eastern Standard Time. All right, so first you will need a cup of raw milk. You can find that from your local farmer or from realmilk.com. I also added an extra tablespoon of raw cream. We live in South Carolina, so it's very easily accessible because it is legal here. You will also need, I used a pepper grinder, so just a couple of turns of fresh ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of organic turmeric, quarter teaspoon of organic cinnamon, quarter teaspoon of organic ginger, and a pinch of salt. And then really maple syrup to your liking, so I'm just going to estimate between 1 to 2 tablespoons at the most. I'm kind of running out, so I'm also giving the option of some raw local honey. You can find that a lot of places in your area. I can actually buy this raw local honey at our grocery store, which is very nice. So let's get started. I'm going to turn the stove on to medium heat. And I have a whisk here with my pot. I'm just going to pour the milk in. I'm going to add the spices. Last, I'm going to add, starting with just a tablespoon of maple syrup. And then as it's heating up, you want to whisk it. Now, one other way to make this is you could take a reusable tea bag and you could put those same spices into it, so you could just simply remove it at the end. Or I guess you could just strain it out at the end as well. So maybe you could put like a couple of peppercorns in there, some fresh turmeric slices, some fresh ginger slices, like a cinnamon stick, and just kind of put it on a very low heat if you were wanting to preserve the enzymes in the raw milk. You could also use coconut milk if you don't do dairy. But I personally love raw milk, so I highly recommend it if you are able to do dairy. In fact, a lot of people who weren't able to do dairy or were lactose intolerant and have tried raw milk are able to tolerate it. I used to have an intolerance to dairy myself, and raw milk did not bother me. I actually started off on raw goat's milk several years ago, so that's also an option. A lot of people can handle raw goat's milk. So as I said in my hot chocolate video, you could use a thermometer to test this to see if it's finished. And you don't want it to go above 117 degrees, because at the point of 118 degrees, that is the point where you start to lose enzymes in the milk. So you can also do the finger test, and the finger test also works in a similar way. So 117 degrees, your finger does not feel like it needs to be yanked out because it's being burnt. At 118 degrees, it is going to be burnt. But if you're making this for people other than yourself, you may want to use a thermometer just so that you're not spreading germs or anything, but it's just for yourself. It's not a big deal to use your finger. So I'm just kind of using my finger here. It's almost to the temperature that I like it to be. Okay, now I start to see a little steam. out. Another fun thing you could do, you could almost make this like a golden milk eggnog, because you could add like a couple raw egg yolks in there, and that would be really fun. So I'm just gonna get a mug. And that's just always a beautiful color, and I love cinnamon so much. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and have found it to be helpful. Definitely let me know in the comments what you think, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed week. May God bless you and your families.